my kings and queens? It's your girl Alexucrown here, and I am back with another video for you guys. Today's video, we're going to be going over this cute little spring summer updo jumbo twist with our fan bun. Super simple, low-key protective style because your ends are concealed. And I also will be reviewing the Majesty hair care line. The line is bomb. I never thought I'd be raving about a shampoo, but you'll see why. And also their detangler, amazing. So this video is sponsored by Majesty. So if you like to see how I obtained this cute little hairstyle or whatever and learn about the line, that's going for the low. You get 4 products for $40. It's a whole royal package. Like, if you want to hear about it, then just watch the video. If you want to see how I did this style, then watch the video. Okay.
What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be reviewing the Royal Package collection from the Majesty hair care line. This line is sulfate free, and it's from a cosmetologist's point of view, Lady Majesty, who's the owner of the line. So I'm super excited about that. And starting off, we're just going to moisturize our hair. So get it wet for the luxurious moisturizing shampoo. So here's the line. It's only $40, so that's nearly 30% of savings because you get 4 products, like I said. And starting off with the shampoo. Now, a little goes a long way, but you definitely want to make sure that your hair is wet starting off, and you want to lather it up real good. So you guys already know how I feel about shampoos. Shampoos always leave my hair squeaky, stripped, feeling dry, and just crazy. This shampoo honestly was moisturizing. When I say it's so gentle on the hair, it actually hydrates and restores moisture, which is crazy. I never thought that I would ever say that, but it's honestly my second favorite product out of this entire line. So I'm just going to repeat this process on all 4 sections of my hair. Now that we've applied the shampoo, we're going to go in and rinse it out. So I just wash my whole head at first, but then I go in section by section to make sure I've thoroughly rinsed all of the products out of my hair. Step 2, we're going in with the luxurious moisturizing conditioner. This can be used as a leave-in conditioner as well. It smells amazing, so that's what I'm going to use it as. I don't rinse it out, so I start at the ends and I work my way up. Obviously, my ends and my edges are the driest part of my hair, so you want to make sure that you thoroughly massage the product into your hair section by section and just repeat the process. So this line can be used on natural or treated hair. So I'm applying a good amount of product from end to root because it helps repair dry and damaged ends as well as just dry hair. But it also stretches your hair. So the more product, the more definition and stretch you'll receive. So I won't be rinsing it out. And here I'm just massaging it all the way in. So step 3, we're going in with the Miracle Mist, and this is my favorite product out of the entire line. Smells freaking amazing. Like, y'all, wait until you see this transformation on my hair. I'm literally able to finger comb it through. Just detangling it was a breeze. And wait till you see my hair because it is amazing.
Okay. Look at the hair, y'all. Healthy. Y'all, look at this health. Y'all see this? Do y'all see how healthy my hair looks right now? Don't tell me that I don't put y'all on to good hairlines, because honestly, y'all gonna be asking me, and I'm trying to tell you right now, game changer. Summertime, spring, right now, honey, look at my hair. The results speak for itself. Literally finger combing through my hair, no tangles. Finger combing through my hair. Finger combing through my hair. Child. Don't say I didn't put y'all on. because y'all gonna be on my Instagram asking me why my hair looks so good, and I'm gonna be like, go to my YouTube, even though it's gonna be tagged. Y'all still gonna ask. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna tag them and be like, girl, I tried to tell y'all on YouTube, but since you're here on my Instagram, majesty, honey. And that's just that on that. Now look at this side. I mean, obviously it still has a product in it, but the Miracle Mist is a game changer. Combined with the conditioner, ciao. I honestly, I don't even know what to say. Because it looks so good. What is there to say? You want the results, get the product. Hello, all my 4A, 4B sisters that struggle with moisture. We are here, we're living. This is our time to shine, and that's just that on that. Moving on to the next side.
So I sprayed both sides and finger combed it through. Now I'm going to go in for step 3 with the Radiant Therapy Shine Spray. And I'm just going to spray that all over my hair from scalp to end.
This one reminds me of like a old beauty shop when I was a little girl, in a good way. Like the oils and stuff, or like almost like when I used to sit between my mom's legs when she would do my hair.
Now that our hair is moisturized, washed, and detangled, we're going to start the styling process. So you want to go in with a brush. I forgot what these brushes are called, but use this brush first to make sure there's no lumps or clumps. And we're going to do a top ponytail, then follow up with a bristle brush. The bristle brush is going to ensure that the ponytail is smooth all the way around. And you're going to loop your hair twice, or you can do it 3 times, but mine only went twice. And we're going to take some pieces on the side. Make sure your hair is detangled, and we're going to take 2 chunks on the side of both sides, and we're going to make a single strand twist. So once we make these single strand twists, we want to put them to the side and the back because we're going to use those later. But right now, make a twist on the left side, then make a twist on the right side. Like I said, put the twists away, so we clip those and put them to the back. Now we're just going to go in and do plaits all throughout the ponytail. You can do them any size. I did them kind of small to medium because I wanted some good definition. Then smooth your hair out, and that's all that we're going to do for today. Make sure you take a silk scarf to lay your hair down to ensure that it'll be nice and smooth for in the morning. So it's the next morning. Now we're going to take the plaits down. So moisturize again with the Radiant Therapy Spray. We're just going to, it's almost working as an oil. I always put some type of oil in my hands when I'm taking down twists or plaits to reduce frizz.
Okay guys, so the twists that I had, they were too small, and these are a little bit smaller too. So I'm gonna take a good chunk of hair. And I'm gonna put some product on it to smooth it out, and then I'm gonna use that as a twist, and then we're gonna wrap it around the base as so. Gonna take the conditioner just so we can smooth that out.
So like I said, the twists we did yesterday were too small, so we want to retwist them with more hair to make them chunkier. We really want the twist to stand out and act as a scrunchie, a standing scrunchie. So once we have them twisted, wrap them around the base of the ponytail and pin them in place with a bobby pin. So once the twists are pinned into place, you want to take your ponytail and tuck it under. I call it a fan bun because it reminds me of like the fans that you have. So just tuck it under and loosen the twists to make them really stand out. Brush your baby hairs down or not, that's optional, and the style is done.
This is the final product. So we have our twist going around the bun or the ponytail, whatever you want to do. This is a bun. I literally just took the ponytail and flipped it out. I figured that was the best method to showcase the twist and almost have it sitting like a little fan on my head. So these are the results. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the royal family, and give this video a thumbs up for me if you want to see me do different versatile styles. Comment down below if you try Majesty, or if you've ever tried Majesty hairline. Y'all, the shampoo, I never thought I'd be raving about a shampoo product. Shampoo bomb. Miracle Mist detangler bomb. Like, let me know you guys' thoughts once you try it. And all the information you will need will be in the description box below if it's not listed in the video. See you guys next time. Bye.